Hello and welcome back, folks. Today we're making a very popular item found in Chinese bakeries, and that's barbecued pork buns. These buns are filled with char siu pork, and the unique combination of sweet, salty and savoury flavours makes them truly delicious. So, are you ready to cook? Okay, let's go. The first thing to do is to activate the yeast. I'm using a packet of dried yeast and then 7 grams in a packet. Activate them by adding a teaspoon of sugar and stirring in 125 milliliters of warm water. Cover with a lid and let it stand for 10 minutes. To make the bun dough, add in 300 grams of strong flour, also known as bread flour, into a mixing bowl. 1 egg, 30 grams of melted butter, 50 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and the activated yeast. Mix it all together to form a dough. Knead the dough on a floured surface for 10 minutes. By the way, if there's any master bakers out there, then let me know if my kneading technique is correct or not. Place the dough into a bowl and cover it with oil. Cover the bowl with cling film and leave it in a warm room to let the dough expand. While we're waiting for the dough to be ready, we can make the filling. Gently fry half a diced onion in a teaspoon of oil until it becomes translucent. Add in 100 milliliters of water, half a teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of chicken powder. If you don't have this, just use the seasoning from a packet of instant ramen. A teaspoon of Siaoxing cooking wine. Thicken the mixture by adding in corn flour paste. This is made by mixing 2 tablespoons of corn flour and water. Stir while the sauce thickens. Mix in 150 grams of diced char siu. You can either buy this ready-made, but it's very easy to make for yourself. I will leave my recipe in the description. Pour the mixture into a bowl or plate and leave to cool. After about 2 hours, the dough should have doubled in size. Fold it a few times and cut it into 5 equal pieces. Take one of the pieces and roll it flat. Place 2 tablespoons of the filling mixture into the center. Wrap the dough around the mixture and form a bun shape. Place the buns on a baking tray with grease-proof paper. Cover the buns with cling film and leave for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the bun should have increased in size. Cover them with milk or a beaten egg to help the tops turn brown. Then bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. When they come out of the oven, they'll be a nice brown color. To give them a shiny sheen on the surface, brush them with a mixture of 1 tablespoon of honey dissolved in 1 tablespoon of hot water. So there you have it, folks. That's how you make barbecue char siu buns. Give me a thumbs up if you like these kinds of recipes, and see you next time.